we right back to square one. Oh, it's a catfish. He's easy. That's why I don't want you to stop reeling. Stop reeling now. No, I want you to hold him. Just don't reel. What's happening? He's so strong.
Huh? Pretty big.
Taking a little of that line. Yeah. So we just tighten it up a little bit. All right. Now don't take him out of the water. Leave him back in the water. That's too much pressure on the rod.
Okay.
All right, you're doing real good. He's a pull, didn't he?
Yeah.
These are kind of slimy catfish. And you can see he's wrapped up on my line a little bit. He's a critter. These are gaff tops.
That's what I was about to ask you.